Have you ever wondered why certain foods are considered taboo? Food taboos are deeply rooted in cultural, religious, and historical contexts. But what if there's more to it than meets the eye? Across the globe, cultures with no apparent connection share an aversion to specific meats. How did these taboos develop independently yet so similarly? Could there be a common thread that ties them all together? Pork in particular stands out. From the Middle East to the Caribbean, the prohibition of pork is a recurring theme. But why is this the case? What is it about pork that has led to such widespread aversion? Why do religions as diverse as Islam, Judaism, and Rastafarianism all forbid its consumption? Is this merely a coincidence? Or is there a deeper, more profound reason behind this shared taboo? Some scholars suggest practical origins, like health concerns. However, others believe the answer may lie in the realm of the supernatural or extraterrestrial. What if the answer lies not in earthly history, but in the stars? Ancient civilizations often looked to the heavens for guidance. Could the origins of the pork taboo be linked to something beyond our world? The ancient astronaut theory posits that extraterrestrial beings visited Earth, influencing human culture. Could these visitors have left behind cultural practices and taboos? Mainstream researchers are exploring the possibility that ancient texts and artifacts may hold clues to these otherworldly encounters. Could the pork taboo be a remnant of an ancient extraterrestrial influence? Evidence suggests that advanced civilizations may have visited Earth, leaving their mark on our cultures, religions, and even our DNA. These visitors may have imparted knowledge and customs that have persisted through the ages. Could they be responsible for the enduring mystery of the pork taboo? The mystery of the pork taboo is just one piece of a much larger puzzle, one that spans cultures, religions, and even the cosmos. Among the many candidates for ancient visitors, the reptilian race known as the Draco stands out. Ancient astronaut theorists believe the Draco to be a highly advanced, technologically sophisticated species with a chilling interest in genetic manipulation. Their alleged goal? To control and exploit resources, including perhaps the very beings on this planet, us. Stories of reptilian beings appear in cultures around the world, from ancient Sumerian tablets to Native American folklore. These serpentine entities are often depicted as powerful, cunning, and possessing a deep understanding of genetics and bioengineering. Could it be that the Draco, through advanced genetic manipulation, played a role in the creation of one of our most familiar food animals, the pig? The genetic similarities between humans and pigs are startling. At first glance it might seem surprising, but when we delve deeper into the genetic makeup of these two species, the connections become even more fascinating. The DNA sequences of pigs and humans share a significant amount of overlap, which has profound implications for medical science and evolutionary biology. Scientists have successfully transplanted pig heart valves into human hearts, a testament to the close biological relationship between our two species. This medical breakthrough has saved countless lives and opened up new avenues for research. The compatibility of pig organs with the human body is not just a coincidence, it is a reflection of our shared evolutionary history. Pigs are remarkably similar to us in terms of organ size and function, making them ideal candidates for xenotransplantation. Their hearts, kidneys, and other organs are almost a perfect match for human anatomy. This similarity extends beyond just physical attributes. It also includes physiological functions, such as metabolism and immune response. But this begs the question, why are pigs so similar to humans? Is it merely a result of convergent evolution, where different species independently evolve similar traits? Or is there something more mysterious at play? Scientists have long pondered this question, and while many theories exist, none have provided a definitive answer. Evolutionary biologists offer explanations based on natural selection and convergent evolution. They suggest that similar environmental pressures may have led to the development of comparable traits in both pigs and humans. This theory is supported by numerous examples in the animal kingdom, where unrelated species exhibit strikingly similar characteristics. But what if the answer lies beyond the confines of Darwinian theory? What if there are other forces at work shaping the genetic destiny of these two species? Some researchers have begun to explore alternative explanations, looking at the possibility of ancient genetic manipulation or even extraterrestrial intervention. What if the striking similarities between humans and pigs are not a product of chance but of deliberate design? Could there be an ancient intelligence that saw the potential in these two species and decided to merge their genetic codes? This idea, while controversial, opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for understanding our origins. Could the Draco have manipulated the genetic code of an ancient ancestor, perhaps the wild boar, splicing in human DNA to create a hybrid creature? This theory, though speculative, invites us to reconsider everything we know about evolution and genetic engineering. It challenges us to look beyond the conventional explanations and explore the mysteries that lie at the intersection of science and mythology. The implications of this theory are unsettling. Why would an advanced alien race engage in such genetic tinkering? One possibility, as disturbing as it may seem, is that the Draco created pigs as a source of readily available human-like genetic material. Perhaps they required this material for their own sustenance, for medical purposes, or even for sinister experiments beyond our comprehension. This theory offers a chilling explanation for the widespread aversion to pork. Could it be that ancient cultures, aware of the pig's true origins and its connection to the Draco, instituted dietary prohibitions as a way to protect their people? Were these taboos a desperate attempt to sever the link between humanity and its reptilian manipulators? The language of ancient texts takes on a new meaning when viewed through the lens of the ancient astronaut theory. This theory suggests that many of the myths and religious texts we have today are actually records of extraterrestrial encounters. When we apply this perspective, the prohibitions and taboos found in these texts might reveal hidden messages about our origins and the beings that influenced early human civilizations. The book of Leviticus calls the pig unclean and forbids its consumption. Why would an animal so similar to humans in many biological aspects be singled out as unclean? Some researchers believe this could be more than a dietary restriction. It might be a coded message, warning us about the dangers of consuming pork. Could it be a warning about the genetic similarities between pigs and humans and the potential health risks involved? Or perhaps it is a caution against consuming an animal that might have been genetically altered by ancient extraterrestrial visitors. The idea that ancient astronauts might have genetically engineered certain animals, including pigs, to serve specific purposes is a fascinating one. If true, it would mean that the taboo on pork is not just a matter of religious observance, but a crucial piece of advice for our well-being. The story of Circe in Homer's Odyssey offers another intriguing clue. Circe, a powerful sorceress, transforms Odysseus's men into pigs. This act of transformation could be symbolic of a deeper truth. Perhaps it is a metaphor for the genetic manipulation carried out by ancient extraterrestrial beings. The transformation of men into pigs could represent the alteration of human DNA, a warning about the potential consequences of such tampering. The story of Circe and the transformation of men into pigs could be a way of preserving the memory of these events, encoded in myth and legend? Could it be a symbolic representation of the Draco's genetic manipulation, a warning about the transformative power of these reptilian beings? Some theories suggest that the Draco created pigs to stop eating humans, as pigs are biologically similar to humans. Interestingly, Satanists who worship the Draco refer to humans as long pork. The taboo on pork and the story of Circe might be interconnected pieces of a larger puzzle, hinting at the complex relationship between humans and these otherworldly entities. What do you think? Are pigs an innocent part of our diet, or are they a key to understanding humanity's manipulation by otherworldly forces? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay curious and stay awake.